now we're going to look at how Tabnine can help you update your projects or your frameworks, and how you can use Tabnine to handle or deal with any problems or errors that you might encounter along the way. So for this example, I'm going to use a REST API that I've developed. And if we have a look at the POM XML, in here you'll see that this REST API is based on the Open API standard. We are using Spring Boot to serve the API endpoints. And today I'm going to attempt to update the version of Spring Boot that we're using to the very latest, which at the time of this recording is 3.2.4. So with that change made, I'm going to now try to compile my REST API and to run it in my Tomcat server. And I've got a problem. So let's have a look at the error in the console. And it would appear that we have a compilation error. And for some reason, we're suddenly not able to find this class here. So I'm going to copy this entire error message. And so the error exists in the file that IntelliJ has now opened in the IDE. And this is the class here that is missing for some reason. So let's turn to Tabnine to help us fix this problem. So on the right hand side in IntelliJ, I'm just going to click on the Tabnine icon to reveal the chat assistant. And very simply, I'm just going to say, I am getting the following error message. And I'm just going to paste in that message that I copied. And I'm just going to say, how do I fix this? So Tabnine will take this information, and it will also look at the files that are open in the IDE currently. And I can see that it's now suggesting code to me to resolve this problem. So let's have a look at the response. So it would appear that this class has been deprecated in version 5 of the Spring Framework. Okay, and to resolve this problem in my project, I need to use this code here. So let's go ahead and use this code that has been suggested. So very simply, I will just highlight the code in my class, and then I'll just simply click on the insert link to overwrite my code. Okay, so with that change, let us now try to compile again the REST API and to run it and see what happens. Okay, this is looking promising. And yes, success. We now have our REST API running on Tomcat on port 8080. Okay, fantastic. So that's a quick example of how you can use Tabnine to update your projects or your frameworks and to handle any problems that might pop up along the way. This is a big time saver for a lot of our customers. You don't have to go to the World Wide Web, Stack Overflow, and trawl through loads of resources to try and figure out the problem. Very often it can be very quick and easy with Tabnine.